To get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 13, you are likely referring to Apple's AI-powered features such as Siri, live text, focus modes, smart notifications, and other intelligent functionalities built into iOS. Apple continuously enhances the intelligence features on the device with new updates, including iOS 18 and later versions. So here is how you can install or enable Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone 13. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store on your mobile device. Once inside the App Store, simply tap on the search address bar and search for the Apple developer. And search for it. Then simply tap on the Apple developer app option available there. And tap on the Get and download it. An Apple developer is someone who creates applications, software, and other products specifically for Apple's platforms such as iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Apple developers use tools like Xcode and Swift to build apps that can be distributed through the App Store and other Apple services. By this, you can easily get Apple Intelligence. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.